Hello YouTube, it's Chris, and hey, just a quick update video on my Hansshow SR Plus premium audio upgrade. Again, I have what they call the professional kit, which was version 1. They no longer make that. They've now got kits that are A through F. I've had the kit a few months now. I think I'm one of the first guys to get it. Definitely, I made an early video on it. A lot of people asked me after that video, they said, oh, is this available for the SR Plus long range or performance? And no, these kits are specifically for the SR Plus, not the performance or the long range, because those systems already have amplifiers and subwoofers. What's unique now is the new one, the F. F has a new subwoofer. If you remember my subwoofer that I showed, I'll try to insert some video here. Okay, just before I close all this up, I finished this morning. Wow, what an effort this was to get this sub into this area. It's very tight. I've got this all now taped up properly. I'm ready to close up. The biggest problem was this bolt, which goes through maybe 2 or 3 inches of board and into a mount, and you need it because this is what actually secures it. So I've got these tight now. It's nice and solid in there, but holy smokes, William from Hansshow, this was an effort, and you are buying the beer if I ever meet you. So anyway, whoo, all finished. Was a fairly traditional build with wood structure, and it was heavy and it was difficult to actually bolt in, but I managed successfully. The new one it looks way better. I haven't seen it myself, but Hansshow reached out to me last night. They said that they've taken customer feedback on the cabling, the subwoofer, and all the settings. So I think they've got it, set up correctly now, and they're really happy. And the version F model, the version F of their SR Plus premium auto upgrade has been very successful. So I think you can still use my code. I'll put it somewhere in the bottom of the video somewhere, and get 15% off of that kit. And maybe, over Christmas, you get yourself a Christmas gift. Who knows, right? I had some questions from people asking me about how I've got my EQ set up. You can see it's only a 5-band EQ in the Tesla. So I've got a fairly traditional sort of rock, pumping up both the bass and the treble, and then flattened out on the mids. And then the other thing I turned off is this thing, immersive sound. That might be good for movies maybe, but I think it ruins the stereo effect for music, so I've got it turned off. I think it sounds kind of tinny when you have that turned on, so I've turned that off. Other than that, everything else is pretty straightforward. I keep it a little bit in the back, but that's just personal preference, and that's it. And then, I've got everything turned on. I just got a Spotify account, so that's cool. The other thing to note is, I guess if your car was built after June of 2020, you may not have speakers in your rear deck. You should check that. You can install them, of course. They are very small speakers that came, I think only 3-inch, but check that as well. But it will, regardless, even if you don't have those 2 speakers, it will activate the speakers that are in your door and in your A-pillar, which are not active stock. So anyway, I hope that helps everybody out. Have a great holiday, everybody. And if you haven't got your kit and you're looking to get yourself a Christmas gift, do that. Use the code, get the 15% off. And until next time, I hope that helps. And I'll try to find some unlicensed audio to play. Thanks.